In this video, we'll model a bowl. We'll use an 8-vertex cylinder for this. In the Add Cylinder menu, set the location in Z-axis to 1. Tab into Edit mode and add a loop cut with Ctrl or Command+R. Press keypad 1 for vertex selection and delete all the vertices in the top. Option+Z for X-ray mode. Select all the bottom vertices and scale as shown here. Ctrl or Command+R to add a loop cut in the middle. Keypad 3 for face select. Select the bottom face and do an inset with I key. Do a small inset and add a grid fill. Keypad 2 for edge select and select the middle edge loop. Press S and scale. Press G twice and slide down the selected edge a little. Ctrl or Command+B and add a 3-segment bevel. Tab into Object mode. Ctrl or Command+3 to add a Level 3 Subdivision Surface modifier. Tab back to Edit mode. A to select all and Shift+D to duplicate the bowl. Press S and scale down as shown here. Disable subdivision in Edit mode. Mouse over the inner bowl and press L to select all the inner faces. Alt or Option+Z for X-ray mode. G+Z and move to align the inner bowl with the outer bowl. In the Overlays menu, enable Face Orientation. Mouse over and press L on the inner bowl. Shift+N to recalculate inside normals. Now, select the 2 top edges and press F to add a face. Select the open edge of the new face and keep pressing F to add faces. Ctrl or Command+R to add 2 loop cut at the top. Keypad 3 and Alt or Option+click and select all the top faces. Alt or Option+E and select Extrude faces along normals, and extrude as shown here. Now select bottom faces. Alt or Option+Z for X-ray mode. G+Z and move the faces up a little. The bowl is now ready. Duplicate the bowl with Shift+D. Press S and Shift+Z and scale the duplicate bowl on X and Y axis. Now we have a large second bowl. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.